Dear student, class 6, look, first chapter history of Bangladesh, lesson 3, 4 and 5. Human settlement and political history of Bangladesh. There had been human settlement in Bangladesh from the primitive age. Some archaeological discoveries of recent times have proved it. Some areas of Sylhet, Chattogram, Kumilla district are the earliest land of Bangladesh. Some regions of Bogora, Dinajpur, Tangail and Nashindi are ancient as well. Prehistoric weapons such as axe made of stone and burnt wood, chisel, points of an arrow have been discovered at Rangamati and Shitakundo in Chattogram, Lalmai of Kumilla, Chunaru Ghat of Habiganj, Wari Boteshwar of Nashindi. Many people, actually these are the historical place where we found the prehistoric weapons. Many people term the prehistoric period as Stone Age. It's very important for your MCQ. People in the Stone Age used to live in the forest as norms. Very important for MCQ. They used to hunt birds, fish, collect fruits to satisfy the demand of food. Actually, it was the primitive age. People did not know how to cultivate the land. They wandering in the forest and they collect and hunt birds, fish and collect fruit to satisfy the demand of food. After Stone Age, the evidence of whole living in the copper stone age has been found at Wari Boteshwar. Wari Boteshwar was situated in the district of Nashindi. In many other places in India, the evidence of human habitation has been found. Where the human habitation had been found, many places in India, like Qutub Minar, like Agra Taj Mahal, at some archaeological sites like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in present Pakistan, at Lethal and Kalibangan in India. In a stance of Indus urban civilization has been discovered. The first urban civilization is Indus civilization. The Indus civilization 2700 BC to 1700 BC was the first urban civilization in India. No parts of the oldest urban civilization of the Indian subcontinent have been found in Bangladesh. However, the instances of the second urban civilization of the Indian subcontinent have been discovered in Mahstangarh in the Barindal lands of Bogra and in Meherpur land of Wari Boteshwar in Nashindi. The name of the oldest city situated at Mahstangarh was very important for your MCQ, was Pundanagar. The name Pundanagar was found in the Brahmi letter inscription on a stone. They used Brahmi letter. Pundanagar flourished in the 4th century BC. The name on the 2500 years old city at Wari Boteshwar has not been known yet. In the contemporary India, the name of 16 Janapada could be found. Each of these Janapada was a separate state. The pre-Maurya age political history of other Janapadas of the Indian subcontinent can be known more or less. But the history of the present Bangladesh, part can be known from the time of the Maurya Emperor Ashoka. It can be anticipated from the Mahasthangarh stone script that Emperor Ashoka ruled Pundranagar. Who was ruled Pundranagar? Emperor Ashoka. Some researchers say that Maurya dynasty was expanded up to Chattogram. After the Maurya dynasty, many areas of the Indian subcontinent were ruled by the Shungo, and Kushan kings. In this region of Bangladesh, some relics of burnt clay of the Kushan era have been found, but no evidence of administrative development has been found yet. But they did not any administrative development found there. The comprehensive history of our country is known as from the Gupta dynasty. Very important for your MCQ. The comprehensive history of our country is known from the Gupta dynasty. The Gupta kings were mainly the rulers of northern part of the Indian subcontinent. The northern part of Bangladesh was under the Gupta rule in the province named Pundu Bardhaman Bhukti. We have to keep in mind that the present Bangladesh was not a single state in the ancient age. Different regions of Bangladesh were known as Pundu, Bardhaman, Bongo, Samata, Gauro, Barendra and Horikal. Like a Sylhet included in Horikal. Kumilla included in Barendra. Towards the end of Gupta dynasty, the name of some other kings of Bangladesh region are found. They are known as, who are known as next Gupta? These people. After the next Gupta rulers, the identity of a ruler named Shashanko can be known. Shashanko, he was the ruler of Gaura. He was called the first independent monarch of Gaura. Who was first independent monarch of Gaura? Shashanko. After his death, for about 100, how many years? 100 years, no information regarding any permanent ruler in the ancient Bangladesh is found. In the absence of a permanent ruler, a chaotic condition prevailed. Chaotic condition prevailed. The small states got involved in dispute and battle among themselves. And after his death, many anarchy arose and the small states got involved in dispute and battle among themselves. Pala dynasty was the Pala dynasty 750 to 1161. Pala dynasty was the first long-lasting dynasty in Bangladesh. What is the first long-lasting dynasty in Bangladesh? Pala dynasty. The founder of this dynasty, Gopal, ascended the throne, putting an end to the century-long disputes, anarchy, and carnage. Another opinion is that the feudal lords but put Gopal to state power. Gopal, the founder of Pala dynasty. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Gopal. Proved himself a competent ruler. Dharmapala, Devpala was also famous rulers of this dynasty. During the long Pala regime, then Bangladesh attained excellence in expansion of the kingdom: politics, economics, architecture, art of painting, and other areas of fine arts. Kaivartia mutiny. In the 400 years long Pala regime, many of the ruler proved themselves efficient and wise, but some of them failed to do so. During the reign of King Mahipala II, a mutiny took place in the kingdom. King Mahipala II became weak in the fraternal dispute regarding legacy. In 1080 AD, peoples of fishing community, fishing community named Kaivartia, made a successful mutiny. Who made a successful mutiny? Kaivartia, under the leadership of Divya, and took possession of the throne, defeating Mahipala. But the Kaivartia reign was short-lasting. With the help and cooperation of the feudal lords, Ramapala, brother of Mahipala, defeated and killed the Kaivartia ruler Bhima in a fierce fighting in 182 AD and restored the Pala reign in Barenda region. During the Pala reign in Shamata, mainly Kumilla, Vikrampur, Kharga, Devachandra, and Burma dynasty independently ruled their respective kingdom. In the 7th century, the eminent Chinese monk Huan Sung visited Shamata and found 30 Buddhist monasteries. And Atish Dipankar Srigan, who was Atish Dipankar Srigan, was a blessed child of Burjujugni in Shamata. In the 11th century, he went to Tibet at the invitation of the Tibetan king to prevent the degradation of Buddhism. Sena dynasty, 1098 to 1204 AD. The Sena rulers came here from Karnataka of South India to serve in the army of the Pala rulers. Gradually, they started to increase their power. Vijay Sena came to power during the reign of Madanpala. During the reign of Madanpala, the last feeble Pala ruler, King Ballal Sena and Lakshman Sena ruled after Vijay Sena. It is said that the Sena rulers set up administration in the entire Bangladesh and ruled for a long time. Who ruled for a long time? Sena dynasty. Among the Sena rulers, Vijay Sena and Ballal Sena were from Shaiva community. Which community they come from? Shaiva community. Lakshman Sena had fondness for Vaishnav community. Lakshman Sena had fondness for Vaishnav community. The Sena rulers were carrying about religious ritual. The Turkish hero Ikhtiaruddin Muhammad Bukhtiyar Khalji, who was Ikhtiaruddin Muhammad Bukhtiyar, Turkish hero, conquered Nadia from Lakshman Sena. However, after Lakshman Sena, his two sons, Vishwarup Sena and Keshav Sena, continued to rule some parts of Bangladesh from Bikrampur for some years. How many years? 1205 to 1230. Bukhtiyar Khalji conquest of Nadia resulted in the inception of Muslim reign. Very, very important in Bangladesh. Within some days, Muslim reign spread all over Bangladesh. Actually, you have to read Mauri Sena era, Pal era, and Bokhtiyar Khilji. He was a Muslim Turkish hero, and he conquered Nadia from Lakshman Sena. Lakshman Sena was Sena dynasty's king, and after Bokhtiyar Khilji's conquest of Nadia, Muslim reign in Bangladesh. Within some days, Muslim reign spread all over Bangladesh. Look, we don't know much about socio-economic, cultural, from Maura Sena, termed as ancient age, culture and religious life of ancient Bangladesh. Limited literary and archaeological source provide inadequate information. In the following lesson, we shall know about socio-economic and cultural. Next lecture, we already we have we you get you will get the lecture on chapter 6. Look, you have to read human settlement, political history, Chattorgram, Lalmai, Chunaru Ghat of where is situated Chunaru Ghat of Hobiganj, Wari Boteshwar, where is situated Wari Boteshwar in Nashindi, and Sitakunda in where is situated Sitakunda in Chattorgram, Lalmai, where is situated Lalmai in Kumilla. The first where is the first civilization in India? Indus civilization. Which civilization was the first civilization in India? Indus civilization. And Maurya era, how many Janapada? Already 16 Janapada. The comprehensive history of our country is known as from the Gupta dynasty. Very, very important for MCQ. Pundra keyword, actually keyword, Pundra Vardhan Bhukti. Next, Gupta. Pala dynasty, which dynasty was the long-lasting dynasty in Bangladesh? Pala, who was the founder of the Pala dynasty? Kaivartia, which community? Kaivartia reign. What is Kaivartia, and Kaivartia, why it was very short-term lasting reign of Kaivartia? Who is Bhima? Shamata, which district included in Shamata? This is very important for you. Thank you very much.